Hi guys, hope you're great. Welcome back to ELECTRECA and thanks for watching. Now I have a multimeter before me and today I want to show you how to measure continuity. Let me simply show you how we do that. Now first, why do we need to test continuity? One, this is a breaker, which all of you know the use of the thing here. It can break or makes a circuit. So if it's on, for example, but your circuit is not going through, first you need a multimeter to test its continuity, if it continues. We have various things now, like this cable here. This is a kettle cable that maybe probably you will find that maybe your kettle is not working. So the first thing you need to know is if your cord is working. For example, you want to test your fuse to see if it's really continuing. If it's continuing, then you have to test the cable. Maybe a wire can break inside the cable. So you will need to test your cable. So first of all, the first thing we have to do is to turn on our multimeter. You will put the dial. Now, for example, they have combined a number of tests here. We have ohm here, so if you're doing resistance, we have diode, we have capacitors, and then we have also this sine wave, kind of sine wave symbol. So you put your dial there, and then guess what? We are seeing here ohms. Okay? So now if you're testing continuity on this particular meter, you have to select. There is a button for selecting. Other meter you don't have to select, but for particular, this one you have to select until you see this small like Wi-Fi, symbol. And after that, you will have to tap together the leads to see if it's really continuing. You normally hear the sound and also you see the numbers on the screen. Okay, now let's begin with this breaker. Like I said, it makes and also breaks the circuit. But what if it's on, like it's showing on, but what if it doesn't continue? So let me show you something here. You see? You see some numbers are popping up there. So it continues. So if it's faulty, you won't see any continuation. Okay? Now, the other thing also is these codes here. Now, for example, we already know that basing on the electricity rule, we know that here, we know that one terminal here is fused and another terminal is not fused. Now, like here we have our live this side and our neutral the other side. But still, we want to know if all our leads in here, they continue. So what you're going to do, by the way, in continuity, polarity is not order of the day. There's no need for polarity. Anywhere you put your multimeter, you'll still get the reading. So with one of the terminals, now you will put your lead tip inside like that. Now you'll use this, one of it, you tap on each terminal. So we tap it here, nothing. We tap it here, nothing. Then we tap it here. And you see, it continues. So we know that at least the L side is okay. So let's try to test the other side. We saw so if it continues. Nope. Nope. You see? That's cool. Now, we can also do the earth read like that. It's in the earth read. And then you can test all these. And it continues. So basically, you're going to use the continuity function in your multimeter if you want to identify cables of the same color. Now, assuming these cables, they were of the same color, and you don't know which one is the live, you'll still use your multimeter, put one cord here, and then move it around the terminals. You move it around the terminals. Now you're able to tell that this terminal here is for this wire, and it will really is for you. Then the other thing also, you'll be able to test short circuits in your circuit. For example, if you're doing a lot of wiring, so you'll be able to test your short circuit, you test the live against the earth, you test the neutral against the earth, you also test the neutral against the live, like that. So it can, sort you so many problems. All right. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your time here. That's how your continuity is tested. Thank you very much. If you have any query, please put it in the comment and I'll be glad to answer you. Thank you very much and have a good one.